Well-maintained ornamental gardens and landscaping look great and exude style, but the summer heat can threaten to dry out and damage your foliage and flowers. In this video, we'll go over some summer ornamental tips you can use to ensure your plants stay green and pest-free throughout the season. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. Proper lawn care goes a long way to making sure your ornamentals grow well and green, but summer poses a set of challenges you won't often experience any other time. Temperatures rise, humidities change, and many pests become more active as the weather gets warmer. Proper watering is key so your plants and turf develop strong roots. It also provides your plants with the right amount of moisture to avoid drying out from extreme heat. Water the soil around the base of the plant to help keep them cool and moist while suppressing weeds, fungi, and pest activity. Give your plants an inch of irrigation once a week early in the morning. This gives the water time to soak into the soil before the midday heat can evaporate it. Prune away older branches from your shrubs and trees to remove dying parts and promote healthier growth. Look for overgrowth, heat stress, disease, or pest activity, and prune plants accordingly. Just don't overprune, as that will have negative impacts. Mowing around your ornamental landscaping removes competition for space, nutrients, and water from overgrown turf. While it sounds simple, you want to avoid cutting off flower heads or cutting desired plants. When you mow, ensure the clippings are stored in a bag, or at least that the lawnmower's discharge chute is pointed towards the lawn and away from your ornamentals. Grass clippings left in ornamental garden beds can create cover for pests or collect moisture and develop fungi. You can also use a string trimmer to more easily clean up the edges where the garden bed meets the lawn. Many pests like aphids, Japanese beetles, gophers, and snakes can become more abundant during the summer. Your shrubs and trees can suffer enough damage and die just from pest activity alone. Regularly inspect your plants and the surrounding soil for insect and animal activity. You can look for spots in leaves, broken stems, discolored foliage, tracks in dirt, and missing flowers, among other things. To keep insects away from your ornamental plants, you'll need to apply a residual insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a liquid insecticide concentrate made with bifenthrin, so it's labeled to control a wide variety of insects. When applied, this product leaves a residual effect that will control treated areas for up to 90 days. Depending on your targeted pest, you'll mix 0.25 to 0.5 fluid ounces of product to make 1 gallon of finished solution to apply over 1,000 square feet. Apply your solution over ornamentals and shrubbery, being sure to treat both the top and bottom of any leaves. Allow the treated areas to dry completely. Insects that make contact with the spray or its residual effect will have their nervous systems impacted and will die within several hours. To stop animals like rabbits, skunks, or gophers, you'll want to use products like Animal Stopper Granular Repellent. This natural repellent uses ingredients like rosemary oil, cinnamon oil, and cornmeal oil to disrupt animals' senses and keep them away from treated areas. Simply apply the product around garden beds and other plants you'd like to protect. The granules will repel labeled animals for up to 30 days, so make reapplications once a month for steady control. Summer introduces conditions like humidity and high temperatures that are conducive to weed growth. Just like any desired ornamental, these plants compete for sun, water, and nutrients. Some weeds can be removed by hand, but to control hardier perennial weeds, you'll need to make sure you remove their entire root systems. Non-selective herbicides like Eraser 41% glyphosate can be applied to easily kill any undesired weed. Just mix 1.5 to 2.5 fluid ounces of product into 1 gallon of solution to apply over 300 square feet, then spray the surfaces of weeds' leaves until they are evenly coated. Be careful not to apply over your ornamentals and to use a barrier to prevent spray drift. Glyphosate has no soil activity and must be absorbed through a plant's leaves to take effect. You should see visible signs of weeds dying within several days to 2 weeks. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and lawn care is made simple, and we offer free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.